2023 is around the corner, and data science remains among the highest-paying jobs. Enroll yourself in Magnimind Full Stack Data Science Bootcamp and become one of the best data scientists in town. Our team of instructors are affiliated with well-known universities with immense industry experience. Our program provides hands-on experience, teaches the foundations of the data science, and gets you prepared for the interviews with the help of leading engineers and scientists in the Silicon Valley. You will learn the following courses in our program: data exploration with Python, math and statistics, fundamentals of machine learning, and SQL. You will get professional help on resume and data scientist interview preparation. In addition, you'll have your hands-on experience with capstone and graduation projects throughout the bootcamp. We have flexible payment options, one of which will be suitable for you. Get registered and transform your life. Your future is in your hands. ISA is currently held for students in the USA only.